Si Lyra ba? Lyra? If nakikinig ka, Lyra, how many times you have to hurt me for 11 years together?
Oh, are you freaking kidding? So we run underground, so what are the odds of that?
Got that car, guys. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero Makate. Kailangan kong kuot-kuotin.
Good morning, Philippines!
5 o'clock in the morning, guys. Gising na ako. Nag-transfer na naman. Balik muna tayo sa taas. Gusto mag-edit pa ako, guys. Para may lights. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday. Kagigising ko lang, pinalabas ko lang yung aso. And mag-i-snow daw ngayon. Mag-edit ako ng food time, guys. Guys, tapos na nag-edit, guys. Ang dali kong nag-edit. 5:59, almost 6 o'clock. Ang dali kong nag-edit kasi ano lang naman siya, mukbang. So, yung mukbang is hindi naman siya mahirap i-edit. Gusto ko pang mabalik matulog. Matulog ba na ako? Gising na naman ako. Sakit. It's a kid. It's a kid. Quiet. Quiet. Quiet na. Quiet na. Quiet. Quiet. What is that? Tingnan nyo, nag-iyak nito. Yun yung iyak mo? That's it? That's how you cry? That's how you tell me to let you out? Nanonood ako kay Riz Vlog. Hindi pa ako nga na ano, guys, ready. Curious ako. Sabi pa niya, wala daw siyang Final Cut. Yung Final Cut Pro daw niya, wala daw sound effect. Ang daming sound effect sa Final Cut Pro kaya. Kasama na mga effect. Ang daming sound effect. Iwan ko. Gusto kong i-contact siya. Si Lyra ba? Lyra? If nakikinig ka, Lyra, bakit walang sound effect yung kay Simply Race na Final Cut Pro? Meron Lai, sabihin mo Lai, meron mga kasama yun. Baka hindi lang niya nakita. Pero imposible kasi Final Cut Pro, may dala na yung mga sound effect, mga effect. Pwede kang mag-download, pero may kasama talaga ang daming sound effect ng Final Cut Pro. Grabe. Lyra and I. I know si Rez hindi nagre-reply. Pero sana, mabasa niya yung comment ko. Oh, gee, yung snow nagbabalik. Ay, naku, tignan niya yan, guys. Ito yung problema ko pag winter, guys. Kasi, yung skin is nag-split yung skin, ang sakit. Snow, guys. Slushy pa naman. Slushy, guys, yung snow, hindi siya ano, guys. Hindi siya yung snow na iwan ko, para siyang ice na slushy. Kaloka naman ito, eh. It's slushy. It's slushy. That's... I forgot, nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko pala dito. Slushy, han. Ah, she like ripping papers, you know that? $5. Okay, binta daw namin si Roxy, guys. So, let's go up. Roxy? Roxy.
But that's it, I'm not paying any more.
$5, Rox. Let go. It's an up, Rox, that I can sell you. I'm going to binta-binta you, Rox. $5. Huy, $5 lang daw. Daddy said. $5, $5, $5, $5. Wow, the snow, guys. My God, look at it. Time is out there. Look at this. Look at my husband, guys.
No, it's water, it won't dry.
Yeah, it's water and it's gonna be soaking on the floor. Hi, naku, Misty. It's your fault. Hala, there's still a lot of birds out there, hon. Hold on, wait. I will yell at you the number. Ang kapal na, guys. So, Tammy has to go to the attic, guys. Dun sa taas. And nilagay ko lang itong ladder dito para punta. Kasi kailangan i-bleed yung tubig sa heater. Kasi yung heater namin is a heater dito sa taas talaga. Hindi nag-work. Magpagupit sana si Tammy ngayon, guys. Pero hindi ko alam. Sobrang magbayad pa kami sa garbage. Kaloka. Na-worry din ako dahil, diba, sobrang yung snow is icy. So, makapal talaga siya. Kasi until tomorrow morning itong snow. And, iwan ko. You okay? Doon, guys. So, yun yung big machine. So, yung nakikita niyo yung puti. Yan. Yun yung mag-spread sana doon sa Look, hindi pa namin nga natapos ito, guys. Han, everything what we put over here is fell down. Look. What is this? Yes, dito, guys, walang sahig. Dapat may sahig. But there's no floor yet. That little man just keep crying. What are you crying all the time? Why are you crying, Bob? Ang boiling eggs. Kasi magmacaroni salad. Ito lulutuin ko din and ipadala sa kanila. Let's see kung meron tayong dito. Hala, kaluka talaga ito. Hala. Hala. Sana meron, guys. Na, patay tayo ni Tammy nito. Tignan natin dito. Tignan natin kasi ang dami ding mga snacks dito, mga hala. Hala, meron pa pala akong blueberry. Gamitin ko to every morning na. Ito dito. Elbows. Ito yung pang macaroni, guys, Barilla elbows. Ito yung gamit ko. Dogs ASMR. Here, another ASMR. Tapos na yung egg. So, ikakat natin ito mamaya. And ngayon, magkat tayo ng olives, guys. Kasi meron na tayong carrots.
Could be a thermostat says it's no good.
Why you say that?
Well, because it's a possibility.
Thermostat? What is thermostat?
The thing on the wall that you program.
Oh, the one that's in the wall that we keep changing?
Right.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. That's why I'm going with this. But
He just hurt my feelings before, guys. He told me shut up.
telling me we're shutting the electric. Like, I don't know what I'm doing here. Just questioning all the time.
Telling me shut up. How many times you have to hurt me for 11 years together?
Oh, are you freaking kidding?
I just ignore it.
Guys, here's one thing, you know, she don't ignore nothing. That's first.
This is the problem, guys, if you have a house and if you have a husband.
That's right.
Like the house is always something going on.
The husband's always something going on too.
Yeah, always. Do you need my help?
I think so.
I can't even be there. Tignan nyo yung snow dito, guys. Ang kapal. Ang kapal-kapal. Ang kapal. Oh my God. Ang dami ng snow. Oy. Grabe. Yun, yung backyard namin, guys. Dito sa likuran na side. Yan yung neighbor namin. Okay, guys. I have to look the old videos. Remember when Tommy changed something downstairs? So now I have to look. Because he said we changed the whatever you said.
Circulator pump.
Circulate, but we did change the pump in the center. Remember the center machine, the machine that is.
That's a condensate pump. That was a whole different thing.
Okay. Whatever, I will show you the video. He is wrong. Tommy's wrong. Tommy's wrong. Let's see.
And while you're talking to them, they probably remember it.
Guys, look that.
Because I'm
Guys.
sure you posted it.
Of course, hon. It's a vlog. That was summer. That means it's been like a long time ago.
Would have been summer. Would have been winter.
Huh?
Would have been winter.
No. Last year summer, hon.
Summer was the condensate pump. I'm talking about the circulator pump.
But that's the only, because everything we do is vlog. So that's what I'm gonna show you. That's what we do. We don't do the pump, circulate, whatever. I-try natin, guys, get out in this garage. Even the driveway is full of snow. So let's. Even the people came home from work.
Yeah.
Upstate. How about New York?
I don't know. Don't help me tomorrow, though.
You think they won't cancel anything?
No.
You really think, huh? The snow is high. Oh my God. La 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 la. Slow down, huh? Slow down, really?
Oh, no, I'm barely moving.
Really? Look at that. Look how icy is this.
20 miles an hour. Want me to go backwards?
Oh, look, oh God. I don't see any cars driving. Naririnig ninyo yan, guys? That's a slushy ice. It's not even snow anymore. It's ice.
Subway's run underground, so what are the odds of that?
Yeah. They don't clean the road here. This area. It's kind of scary. Oh my God! It's like I can feel the car, guys. It's like sliding. School bus. School bus, guys.
There's no school bus on.
Oh, there's no school bus. So what the heck is that?
FTA.
Oh my goodness. Dirty, guys. After the snow, people are driving. Look how dirty is that snow. That's the only downside. Dirty snow. Look at that car, guys. Oh my God. Hana, look at your drive. Huh? Oh my God, guys.
Like they're gonna help her.
Yeah, there is a cup over there, guys. It's going to help that car. Oh my goodness. Yun ang ano ko guys, nag-slide din kami ni Tammy kanina. Almost na kami to hit the railing. The car almost hit the railing because it's like pushing and the car make too much. Hala, there's another accident here.
Yeah.
Hala. Be careful.
Sure.
Yeah, slowly, be careful. There is another accident, guys. Hala.
Got a tow truck pulling out.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's cops over there. Look, it's only guys, it's like... Sabi ko sa isa, magdandahan. Hapit na kami nagtutuyo kanina. Hapit na kami sa magsariling. Yes. Tignan nyo yung kamay ko dito na, oh. That means takot na ako. Stay in your hair. And then follow that car.
Sure.
That car over there. Just stay here. Stay in this car. Follow this behind the car. Because we are not gonna keep changing lanes. Tommy doesn't remember where we go. Oh, this is the place that they don't clean properly.
That's good. Your tires are a good try.
Yours too. I can see in the back kicking a lot. Tommy's checking the wheels. So, close yung ano dito. Yung dapat bilhan. Mura pa naman sila dito, guys. Mura sila dito, so pero close. Kaloka naman ito eh. Ang mahal pa naman sa Home Depot, 150.
I don't know. They're close, but it's not the point.
What are they saying in
For
the
our
sign?
ponies fly out, so they close at 1 o'clock because of the weather.
1 o'clock? Oh, it's already 3.
So either Lowe's or yeah, I can't go that way.
What? Nandito na kami, guys. Kaloka. Ano na kami nag-slide. Eh, I like the curtains, guys. Magkano ba itong mga curtains nila dito? Look. I like it. Iba't ibang kortina, guys. Look, I like this. This one too. Ang daming kortina. I'm just following him kasi hindi ko alam. May maganda silang painting kaso mahal, oh. 40 bucks. This is Lowe's, guys. This is na Home Depot. Hopefully, hindi na tayo pupunta sa Home Depot kasi takot na talaga ako. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Yan. Parang wala naman sila, guys. No, they don't have it. Look, guys, the front thing is ice already. Wala. So, guys, Tommy got
Flat tire.
huh? Where is flat tire? You?
Yeah.
We got the circulator pump. Oh, circulator pump, right? And thermostat also. Hindi ko alam he got thermostat. He says this probably the thermostat is the problem. He says maybe.
Oh, we had a problem with it.
Dashi. Gas muna sa Tommy, guys. Naglagay muna siya ng gas. And ako naman is ang kati ng ano ko, paa. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero makate. Kailangan kong kuot-kuotin. Ang kati. Oh, guys. While Tommy is driving, it's very cold, it's icy, and Tommy turned the heater on. And then, the windshield is just keep turning. I will show you, the window went crack. It's right here. Did you see that line crack? Like that. That's a crack. Did you see that line like this? That's the crack. So ngayon, problema. Buti na lang may mga insurance, di ba? Yung insurance is yung magbabayad sa mga ganon. Kasi kung ikaw magbabayad mga 7,800 ata yung babayaran nila. Now, hala. We don't even know where's our driveway. Shit. Oh my god. Goodness. Yung kapal ng snow, guys. Ang kapal, oh. Snow is really full. Naglagay si Tommy guys ng air sa kanyang gulong kasi wala na daw flat. What Dada got you? What is it? Look at this. They love that phone. What the God Dada got you, baby? Dada, Hubs is coming too. Dada got you some bonsai. We don't even go do haircut today, guys. Hello. Alis na naman sila, guys. I'm just worried, guys, kasi the snow is crazy. Umalis na yung asawa ko, guys. Umalis na sila, guys. No, snow dito. Madilim ngayon, guys, kasi I off the lights. Oh my God. I hope talaga na okay lang talaga. Kasi ice na talaga, guys. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Hala. Oh my goodness, Hala, yung daan, guys, is not clean. I told him to drive very careful, Oh my God. Hala. Takot na takot ako, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. You wanna go out? You go out quick, ha? You quick out, ha? Let's go. They need to pee, that's why. They need to pee. Yan, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you, guys. Nag-worried ako kay Tommy kung sana... Ala, ano yun? Hold on, guys. Ano kaya yun? Hello? Are you okay?
Yeah. You know what? You didn't notice if I left the air compressor in the garage.
So you want me...
I don't remember if I put it back in the car or not.
Hala. But you're not coming back, hon?
No, I know, but with 4 tires go flat, I suck if I don't have it. It's horrible.
The highway, it's okay.
I don't know anything, bro.
Okay. But you have a problem going out the garage, hon?
Yeah, I don't know what that was all about.
Because of the garage and the flooring is,